Hi and welcome to the Student Tracker app, an app that has been designed to enhance learner performance. Today we'll be looking into our fourth video on how online tutorial works in the Student Tracker app. Remember, we are on our workshop series video on how to operate the parents account in the Student Tracker app. So now we'll go click on our menu and go to online tutorial. So here you'll be notified as a parent, and also your child will be notified as well that there is an upcoming online tutorial your child has to be prepared for. This also depends on the school, whether it's a primary or a secondary, but it would be best to say this function would be usable for high school students. Online tutorial is time-based with homework assignments accessible through the app. It has instant grading features where after your child has submitted their work, they will get their results instantly, so as parents can be able to see their child's results. So as we can see under this video, we can see that there is subject, right date and action, where in subject it will show us the subject and the title of the online tutorial, so as the right date on when your child should be preparing to write this online tutorial, and the time, so as action. So on under action, when your child has written, it will show you the percentage of how much your child has gotten after writing that online tutorial. But if your child didn't write and has missed that online tutorial, meaning that it will show you that your child didn't write. So this is it for this video. See you on our next video on how request absence works in the parent account. Thank you.